Wonders shall never end. Oh. They just catch one man wey go rape goats until these goats die. In fact, things they really happen. We gather say the owner of this goat, now she hears some weird sound. E be like say this goat they mourn, abi they cry. I don't even know what the goats they do. Around 1:30 p.m. now there she comes and say, this is where my goats they shout like this. What did they happen? Now there she comes and make she go check. Oh. Before she go see, she don't see person where they they hammer these goats, they give them from the back. Hey, see what people they do. And this one they happen inside Malaysia. All this kind of news, man, the reason say na either Kenya, be one kind country, na this one they happen for. But this one at the almighty Malaysia, na this one they happen for. But as the thing happens, the woman catches immediately, na there this guy run come out. So the woman comes and say, nothing where she go feed do. But by the time where she go carry these goats don't they don't sexually assault these goats. Oh, things they really happen. But fortunately for this woman, it be like say she know this man, get what way she they pass. She can't see this man where go rape, where go assault these goats. Now there she can't carry herself. Say she they go police station. Now there she go Serinda police station. Go report this goat rapist. Immediately now there police begin find everything they do. Hey, but some things they happen for some countries because me I don't even expect all this kind of news. Say person go come carry this matter. Say they go police station. But anyway, now rape case we supposed to take them very very serious. But now there police come begin hunt this rapist. They begin find the man. They come realize say person wey do this thing na old person, 60 years old man. Na him conjure don catch so he no see woman, he no see a shower. Na goat thing na him come go dey do him hustle on top. But na there as they even see him don go hide inside bush. E be like say for that side if you do all this kind of offense, law don dey for am. They are na animal right. I don't know as I want to call them. So they don't wait. They wait for this man. Na there this man go hide. But luckily na there they can't catch this man. And as they catch this man can't confess, say, true, he rape, say, he rape goat. But because the matter no fit just die like that, and I know all these kind of countries now, they can't see this whole matter. They go carry and go court. Hey, this one still they surprise me. Say they go carry and go court and make them do investigation. So as the matter be like this now, these goats, the place where he died, they don't, you know all this sellotape, they don't put around that place. They wait, they won't do investigation. So how these goats did, how they rape they happen, they are the man thing too big. What even really kill these goats? And last, the one will surprise me, they still can't carry these goats, go lab, say they won't go do autopsy. Malaysian people, they really shock me. For this kind of thing to they happen for on our side, and I still get vim. They give all this kind of attention to the thing. They want support. But anyways, now still news because now something serious for that side. Now I make all of them carry the matter for it. Now what make them carry this whole matter serious? But for me, if I want to judge this man, I could also say this man in the both mentally, spiritually, and psychologically not okay. Because how person go just dey okay, you go come reason and say, no woman again, now go to one go. That means even chicken self, this man will feel rape. It means say anything, any animal, this man will feed them. And as I hear them, for me, I can't reason. I think say all this kind of thing. Last, they're supposed to buy the goats, give back to the woman. But it be like say for that side, then Lord day. As you don't dey palm, it be like say you go jail, you go somewhere because of this whole matter. Because them now, they know they joke about this whole thing. But now ordinary goat, because I should say, if now Nigeria be one can, I know sure anybody will even reason this matter, say this one a serious matter. But as they were they take it serious. So Oga, I don't know, be a jail you go. I been waiting you go for this kind your own act where you do. But if you just calm down, reason am. If conjure even overcatch you, gather small money, go meet a shower, case close. Not be all be say we can go carry person animal, go they molest the animal. This one too bad now. In fact, it's too bad. It's way you do it bad. But anyway, any judgment where they give you, we go they wait to hear what they won't give you. My people, I hear this one inside Malaysia. As make I bring and come, make na service na here. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, what just here now, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. One person don't die and 4 others missing. This one they happen for one explosion where happen inside Germany. It be like say this Germany people blessed they don't swear for now. Only on a rainfall pack everybody come out. Now another explosion now can they happen for there. But we gotta say this explosion happened for one chemical company for there. Say in fact, what caused this blast? They never even know what happened. But as the matter be, so many people don't they injured. In fact, 31 people don't they injured, and the thing even really destroyed the place. And as it be, now the grace of God, now even make fire service feel off this thing because the thing they very serious. It take them so many hours to even quench this fire. My poor beg, make now follow me see.
One person is dead and at least 16 people have been injured after an explosion rocked the German city of Leverkusen. 4 others are still missing at the Chem Park site. The cause of the blast is still unclear. Fire officials tested the air and have said it doesn't appear to be a danger, but will continue to monitor it. The blaze happened at an industrial park for chemical companies north of Cologne on the Rhine River Tuesday morning. Residents had to stay inside and keep their windows and doors closed, whilst the air was monitored for possible poisonous gases. It took firefighters almost 4 hours to put out the flames. The blast is being called an extreme threat by the country's Federal Office for Civil Protection and Disaster Assistance. 12 injured people have been rescued so far. More than 70 different companies are based in the area, with more than 160,000 residents living nearby.
I don't talk am people where they work for all these kind of places una suppose they give them safety training, because how person go there for this kind of place, most of them they don't even know what they deal with. People where they work inside chemical company, I sure say most of them they don't even know what they use, they mix all this chemical. They will just dey their own and make they just they work. But rest in peace to all these people who don't die, because as it be, they say 5 people abi 4 people they missing. But I beg me, I can't reason my mind they go somewhere. These people where they missing, on a sure say no be they even set up this whole blast or be something. Or maybe as the thing happen, they don't go fly enter inside one chemical themselves, they don't melt from there, because no way where I want reason this kind of thing will happen. But as it be, the residents, the big people for that place don't advise people, they are researchers. Say make people sit down inside their house or make their day indoor, especially children. Make them not let children come outside, say they won't go play, they won't go enter swimming pool, say because of say waiting. This air will come outside as the thing, but say the air where they come out from this chemical, say the thing they very dangerous. Now there won't come blame all these people. Say this thing they very toxic to people. I beg you know say this kind of thing when they do, you know good for people. Why not go open an office for inside desert? Why not come go open am for where be saying I know say people they there. If this kind of thing explode, it go affect people. And I not even reason all this kind of thing before. Now when the thing don't come outside, na near na come they talk to them, make people sit down for their house. And as it be, we gotta say more than 70 different companies now get offices around this side. In fact, this one don't turn to national holiday for them, because everybody go just sit down for house. Nowhere where if you go again, because they don't announce and say make una sit down for house. And I know Igbo people, they over sabi their body. Now there one person go carry one your phone and say one go do research, say one go check what make the air. No, if you go there, where go die, that one your personal problem, because they don't announce and now say everybody their house say this air is no good for body. Say the thing, the chemical, they see they examine them. If let's say the chemical will burst, if let's say the thing gets some kind bad effect for a person's body, now make they don't talk and now make people listen. But I beg all this kind of national disaster, being a natural disaster where they are, I don't even come now, so I want to explain them. Because come be like say safety measures not even there for all these kind of places. And I go know so na carry something wey be say na explosive. And I no go take time put am where be say na go know say if this thing even explosive, you know go cause damages. And I go see the all na make na just they make money na, just they make money. And as such all these researchers they know before they do all these kinds of things, they know. Now so na day we hear say corona come out. Now so antivirus say go work out, go hear say something don't burst. One kind virus again don't begin spread. Make na dey cautious because this one na over sabi na be all this kind thing. Nobody go send them, make na go create chemical and I go decide to go do the kind thing. If the thing now come begin affect person now, people will be say they don't even know anything about this chemical. Now they will come to suffer the thing. In fact, all this one people on a matter don't tire me. My people beg, I hear this one for Germany. I can't make a bring and come. Make na service na here what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, what just here now. Make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.